Welcome back. It's art time, class. Today, we are going to be drawing a circle using a compass. Let's get started. To begin, you're going to need your sketchbook, a compass, a pencil, and some of you might also want something to blend with, like a Q-tip or a tissue. Q-tips are much better for smaller areas, like in my picture, so I opted for the Q-tip. Now, this compass is a great tool, and last week when we used it for the first time, I was hoping more people would draw circles and experiment with the compass itself. So today I wanted to take the time just to make our paper full of circles, big and small, because this compass can do a circle as big as this orange thing can turn around, which is like just about the size of the page. And when I push down the center of this white part, and I put my pencil in any of these little holes, I can spin it around to create that circle shape. As you can see, that's my biggest circle. It comes all the way off the page. I could do a smaller one, like this. Let's come in from this side around here. So again, I was pushing down, and I use at least 2 fingers. Here I was holding down with 3. The more I have pushing down, the less likely it's going to move around and shift. I also like it when I push down on this orange part, I can put my pencil in any of these little circles here and spin it around like that as well. You can do a target pretty easily like that. Ta-da! And then if I press down on this white part again, I have to put my finger in a special spot so I leave that circle opened right there. I can do a fun circle design like that as well. Now, the way you color, shade, and decorate is totally up to you. I'm doing just pencil gray, like checkerboard style, black and white, alternating. You can do whatever you want. It would be really cool to have this colorful. I know some students might want to do like a Zentangle design. That would also be really cool. It is up to you. See, now that I've put in some color here, I'm going to shade this in, okay? So if you just push this around, kind of blends it in, a little shading there. Ta-da! Well, I cannot wait to see what you are going to make. Till next time, keep being creative.